Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the rivet and securing the area. Put on goggles and gloves, make sure the plate is back so it won't flex. Once marked, use a center punch to prevent the bit from wandering and select a drill bit 1/2 to 2/3 the rivet head diameter. Start slow, perpendicular to the head, and pause often to clear swarf. This prevents heat buildup and keeps control. Make incremental passes until the head is removed. Once the head is gone, you'll see the hollow or solid shank. Don't rush. Make one last light drill pass to weaken the shank, then flip the plate or reach behind the shank and use a punch to drive it out. Hold the punch steady and strike with moderate force. This avoids wobble that can damage the plate. If the rivet is stubborn, alternate drilling and tapping to work it free. Make sure metal fragments are cleared before proceeding. After the shank is removed, deburr the hole and clean both sides to ensure a flush fit for your fastener. Use a small file, brush, and solvent, then coat exposed metal with inhibitor. Fit replacement fasteners, screws with nylon retainers or new rivets, making sure they sit flush and are tightened only to spec to avoid cracking. If a rivet refuses to move, you can use penetrating oil, gentle heat, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.